Hey guys, Brandon here from Florida Outdoors RV Country, and I want to show you this Blue Ridge by Forest River 3025RL or rear living. Now, one of the best things I like about this RV is that it is a used unit, but it's only about 1 or 2 years old. It is a 2012 model. So, that means it's at a great discount price, but in very, very good condition. So let's just take a tour around here in the living room. The living room is really nice and wide open. Lots of room. Solid surface countertops throughout. Really great. Undermounted large sink. Lots of cabinet space throughout. Really feels like home. Double door Dometic fridge. Nice big Toshiba flat screen TV and a fireplace as well. Nice slick glass coverings there. Let me get better focus. There we go. I mean, look, these chairs still have their tags on them, and I believe these are Lazy Boy chairs, so it tells you the quality that we're seeing here. Freestanding dinette, nice sofa here, little island area here. Let's look in the master bedroom. Alright, we've got a queen size bed, nice wardrobe, a double stack washer and dryer. You don't see that very often in an RV. Usually they're all one unit, but this would make it nice to do more than one load at a time. Really great feature. Another flat screen TV, cabinet area here. Now, looking in here in the bathroom, we have our 4-flush Dometic porcelain toilet, storage here to the right, and then of course our corner shower and our sink area here as well. Mirrored cabinet, lighting. Let's take a look in here. Really, really great. Okay, so let's step outside and take a look on the outside of this. It's a little windy out there, so you might have a little bit of noise. Alright, so looking here on the outside, we have an automatic awning and one big slide out here. Frameless windows, really great feature on this RV is the frameless windows. Gives it a nice slick look. Nice big undercarriage storage. Dock lights here. 2 more slide outs here to the left. TV antenna there. All your hookups are back here, or all your power hookups, and it looks like your city water hookup. So really, really great condition. If you have any questions about this RV, feel free to call us at 863-623-4689. We'd be more than glad to help you find the RV that's right for you. Have a great day.